Dandelions have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat health problems. Here are some of the common health issues that dandelions are believed to help with. Digestive issues. People often drink dandelion tea to improve digestion because it's believed to increase the production of bile, which breaks down fats in the digestive system. The root of the dandelion plant can also improve digestion and may be used to treat constipation, bloating, and other digestive issues. Liver problems. Dandelions are considered to be liver tonics and support the health and function of the liver. They are used to treat liver disorders and help detoxify the body. Diabetes. Dandelions are believed to regulate blood sugar levels, making them potential treatment for diabetes. The root of the dandelion plant may have a hypoglycemic effect and lower blood sugar levels. Skin conditions. Dandelions have anti-inflammatory properties, which make them useful in treating skin conditions like eczema and acne. The plant's sap is also believed to have antimicrobial properties, which is helpful in healing wounds. Cancer. Some studies have suggested that dandelions have anti-tumor properties and may be helpful in the treating cancer, but more research has to be done to confirm this potential benefit of the plant. It's important to remember that while dandelions have a long history of use in traditional medicine and may have potential health benefits, they shouldn't be used as a replacement for medical treatment. If you have any health problems, it's always a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment.